Good morning everybody. Today we are going to perform the activity 1.3 from our test.
So for this activity, the materials needed are zinc granules, conical flask, sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid. So for this activity, we are going to use dilute sulfuric acid.
First, we need to pour some amount of dilute sulfuric acid in a conical flask. And we have to add some 2 to 3 pieces of zinc granules in it using a spatula.
So after that, we should close it with the cork.
After some time, we can notice some of the bubble rising from the zinc granules. Now we can observe the bubbles coming from zinc granules.
Also, when we touch it, we can feel the temperature rises.
Activity, what are the reactions taken? One is zinc granules. Zinc granules. So zinc granules physical state is solid, Zn, plus another one is sulfuric acid, H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid taken, H2SO4, aqueous. This is also aqueous solution. And zinc granules reacts with sulfuric acid. So one important product formed is already observed in this activity. What is that? Hydrogen. What is the physical state of hydrogen? Gas. Plus what is the one more? After getting hydrogen, the remaining thing is ZnSO4, zinc sulfate, aqueous. So it is the chemical reaction involved in this activity. When zinc granules reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, this compound is called salt. Zinc sulfate salt plus hydrogen gas is evolved. So this type of reaction is called displacement reaction. This reaction is called displacement reaction. It is a third type of reaction, chemical reactions. Already you discussed 2 reactions. This is one more type, displacement reaction. Here zinc displaces hydrogen. Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Instead of H2SO4, you can use one more dilute acid, that is hydrochloric acid. If you use hydrochloric acid, then it gives salt ZnCl2. Its name is zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. That means when zinc metal reacts with dilute acids like H2SO4 or hydrochloric acid, evolves hydrogen gas with the formation of some salt. So metal in general you can say, when metal reacts with dilute acid, gives some salt and liberates hydrogen gas. It is what type of reaction? Displacement reaction. Now how to define displacement reaction? How to define this reaction, displacement? How to define when the reactions in which one atom or group is replaced or displaced by another atom. Here H2, hydrogen, is displaced by zinc. So the reactions in which one atom or group is replaced by another atom or group are called displacement reactions. Generally, more reactive elements displaces less reactive elements. So it is an example for displacement reaction. Okay, thank you.